Omushomogo gurimo abanyamakuru kurwa mu burengerazuba guri nukorerwa aho mu rurembo rwa Mbarara. Ekitongole ekirikuranirira obugabe bw'abanyamahurire ekya Human Rights Network for Journalists Uganda nibo bebembiremu okushongora abanyamakuru. Robert Sempara orikwebembera ekitongole eki ekya HRNJ-UG omushomogo yagweta safety and security.
Don't take it for granted until it culminates into an aggression, a physical attack. It's always share, even when you think it's not as serious. For us to do an analysis of what the situation could be like, and then prepare, or sometimes even guide you to preempt what will befall you in the course of your work. The other times, you over-evade with politicians.
Okuma ekikwato kyawe nk'omunyamakuru okumanya oshime kuba noyirukangira habaho ekyabaho n'okumanya ekyo oshime kuba nokora omushomogo byabere bikuru.
With safety and security, alongside other things, we have other interventions, thematic interventions like learning about our rights generally. We have a whole session about rights, about the justice systems, about the laws that guide our trade. Many other things, but specifically today we'll dwell a lot on safety and security, both physical and digital.
Your life matters and it is important. So the ladies, whenever you're going to the field, make sure the shoes you're putting on, that you can actually run with them. Make sure you are in a trouser, not a skirt, because there's falling. Imagine you're in a dress.
To reach out to the media owners, the National Association of Broadcasters. Honestly, we've written letters, but we will not give up. We will continue trying to write to them until we succeed.
Cyayikombi kwatiri n'ibya tekinolojiya omu kwerinda erizoba nabyo babishomesa.
Nyamahurire ni nteekateeka ngu omushomo nagwegama ebintu bingi abo kubasa kumanya okutwakubasa kwerinda nk'abanyamakuru. That is number one. Abakawo ori omu field safety n'ekintu kikuru munonga. Waba otabase kumanya uko kubasa kwekuma nangwa na gadgets ezitukkoresa obumwe ziri expensive. So kukuba omanyire agamagezi kukuba oyine obwo bwenje omu mutwe kikuyamba abakuba ntukorera mu mbeera zigumire tukorera mu mbeera za environment ziri kubi hati nk'obwire bw'enjura obu waba otari kumanya uko kubasa kurinda ebyoma byawe ni nko omuntu ebyine kutambura nabyo then kimanyisa ngu omurimo gwaza kukora nobasa okuhendera otagumaririza mwene niyo nayegamu munonga kandi kyanshemeza abokuba nimangu ebi nayega naza kubiteeka omu nkora
okurugira mwanya omunyamakuru ari babashomesa ekikwato ekibashime kuba nibakozi.
As a human rights defender, hariho ebintu bingi bimbere ntakumanya nka security yawe nk'omuntu. Ushanga nko mwene oheza editinga amakuru ninga oheza gashoma ushanga ngu you're not logging off. Ekintu ekiwasigaho kyenyine can get destroyed. Or even in the middle ushanga ngu warga omu editorial wahika mu studio no kushoma amakuru but the file is still open, you've not logged it off. So ushanga it is disrupting how you would flow. Oriyono yirukanga noshobora noza kuriya na kuriya. Then password still is very much important. Then gadgets.
Kutwongera kutwakubasa kwerinda no gukora imyitu nk'abanyamakuru ako kureba abanyamahurira bakutera umfiriti hato mu burengerazuba bongire kucendera za hanze kugira ngo tunge mushomokeji kandi leta yamba munonga akubane bakunjura ityo abanyamahurire bakunjura bakamaritu ababine media houses bakunjurana n'aba editors okucenjura ibishane na stories so shanga ngu itwe mu murimo gwito nitwe tugwaza mwaba bo kuturubatira ako nyamahurire yatagambire cyo gushanga community okwe ebintu byanyu tubyakwa kandi tubabasa guteka
Omushomogo okuja kitongole kya HRNJ-UG ekirikuranira obugabe bw'abanyamakuru omu Uganda nkigira ngo omushomogo baguretera omu bwire bwanyuma okucondoza bakashanga ngo abanyamakuru 10 tibarikumanya ekibashobora kuba nibakora batunga oburemezi. Omushomogo no gukumara ebiro 2 aho mu rurembo rwa Mbarara. Our TV West Disenyomo Gideon.